Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Turmoil and Tinfoil. To begin, let's master 3 essential chords: E minor, C major, and D major. For the C chord, place your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. These 3 chords are the building blocks for the entire rhythm section of this song, making it quite approachable for beginners. We will focus on the chord progression to get you playing quickly. Now, let's tackle the verse progression. The song starts on an E minor chord, which is your home base for this section. You can use a simple strumming pattern, perhaps 2 downstrokes, or alternate between up and down strokes. The key is to maintain a steady rhythm. Practice transitioning smoothly from E minor to any other chords that might briefly appear in the verse, ensuring a consistent flow. Moving into the chorus, you'll find a slightly different chord progression. This section kicks off with the C major chord, then transitions to D major. The full sequence for the chorus is C, D, E minor, D, C, and E minor. You'll play this entire 6-chord pattern 2 times through before returning to the verse. Focus on making these transitions clean and keeping a consistent tempo. To put it all together, the song essentially alternates between the verse and chorus sections. After completing the chorus, you'll loop back to the E minor for the next verse. Concentrate on smooth transitions, especially when moving from the E minor at the end of the chorus back to the E minor for the verse, or from the verse into the C major of the chorus. Consistent practice will help you master the rhythm and feel of this great tune.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.